Okay, welcome. Let's look at what we got. We had yesterday doing our post analysis for British pound Japanese yen. I was looking for buys above this level, stop loss here to give me my one arrow. Okay, so moving further, what did we get yesterday? Voila. Okay, price breached the level I was anticipating it to breach. Look at the volume. So many things, so many unspoken words were printed just in this place to tell me that price wanted to go up. Then, if I put it in confluence with the words that have been spoken here, it was very easy for me to tell that this would go up. However, if I put it in perspective with the whole of the zone, it was also telling me that I needed to be careful. This could slam dunk, drop. Okay, so what I was looking at was first of all to get my one arrow before the slam dunk occurred. This is for British pound Japanese yen. The next thing I was looking at yesterday was gold. Gold played out very beautifully in the sense that we are looking for buys above here to mirror this clean traffic to the left, then sells below here. One will come below this zone, buys above the zone to mirror here, then leave some positions to drive, keep going up, making new highs. Okay, so what did we get yesterday on gold? Just as we anticipated, gold played out beautifully. Okay, just as we anticipated, price breached. I took my entry. It mirrored this clean traffic to the left. It mirrored that clean traffic to the left and made a new high and kept going. But I closed it here because this is another zone I was very careful of. Though it could have kept going up, but it is what it is. Okay, I was comfortable with what I got. So that was it for British pound, Japanese yen, and gold. I didn't do anything on Bitcoin because Bitcoin was just ranging. So for today, what I'm looking at is very simple. If we get some breach going up, okay, I would anticipate price to retest this low. So this is my scenario 1A. If we just get a bearish breach, I anticipate price to keep dropping. This is scenario 1B. I'm not looking for anticipate sales, sorry. Okay, if we get a deeper retracement, anticipating sales, get a bearish breach, anticipating sales. This is scenario 1B, scenario 1A. I'm not looking for buys at the moment because nah, the pound interest rate would it will just keep damaging a lot of foundations to keep making lower lows. So let's see how far it could make the lower low. For the next on my list is gold. Okay, gold, like gold is a very interesting tradable this thing instrument. So for gold, what I'm looking at is to take buys going up since it failed to do anything dropping. This is a range that I will say, okay, if it comes below here, I'll be looking to take sales. Anything above here, I'll be looking to take buys. So this will be scenario one, no, scenario two, which is against my bias or my bullish sentiment. This is scenario one in favor of my bullish sentiment. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at for gold. The last but not the least is Bitcoin. So let's see what Bitcoin is going to give us. Okay. For Bitcoin, like I said, Bitcoin was in a range. Okay. Was in a range just ping, pong, ping, pong, ping. And it at this moment when I was looking at it, price was somewhere around there. It had not really tapped this zone. Not like now. I'll be anticipating further sales, but I was not going to trade this range for price to actually retest this low, which it did eventually. Now price has given us this. Those who know what they call the Wyckoff here, this is a different type of strategy, but I don't want to go into this. There are so many things I put into perspective before I conclude or take a trade, and Wyckoff is one of them because, oh goodness, that Richard Wyckoff, I think that's his full name, very good trader. He postulated a trading strategy where we would have, before market changes direction, we will have this kind of fake out, then market to turn. Okay, he gave it different names, unique names for it. But I don't want to go deep into that. I want to make this video short, sweet, and simple to understand, simple for understanding, or simple to understand. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Somewhere around here, you see a button with the title subscribe. Then hit that notification button in the shape of a nail. Comment. The last but not the least is like. I'll be looking for buys above here, which is my scenario 1 in the direction of the trend, or sells below here, which is my scenario 2. But sells is kind of far-fetched. Buys look more interesting when you gauge momentum of this bearish momentum versus this bullish momentum. A lot of unspoken words are here. Anyway, I'm going to stop here because I want to keep this video short, simple, and sweet. That's all for now. Barakabashad. Peace.